In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alert on Salesforce. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new email alert and customize who gets notified and when. Make sure you're already logged into your Salesforce account before you start, and that you have the right permissions to access setup features. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen and click the gear icon. This is where all of your setup options live. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option that says Advanced Setup or Setup, depending on your layout. This will open the main setup area in a new page. On the left-hand side of the setup page, you'll see a panel with a lot of different configuration options, and at the top of that panel, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and type Email Alerts. As you type, Salesforce will filter the results. When you see email alerts appear in the list, click on it to open the email alerts configuration page. Here, you'll see a list of any alerts that already exist. To create a new one, click the button labeled New Email Alert. This will open the form where you define exactly how your alert will behave. Start by adding a clear description. This should explain what the alert is for example, notify sales team when a new opportunity is created. When you type in the description, Salesforce will usually carry that text over to the unique name field automatically. The unique name is used behind the scenes, so you can usually leave the auto-filled value unless you have a specific naming convention. Next, select the object that this alert will be tied to, such as leads, opportunities, or cases. This tells Salesforce which records will be able to trigger this email alert. Now move to the email template field. Click the small search or lookup icon next to it. A pop-up window will appear, showing the email templates available in your org. Browse or search for the template you want to use, then select it and confirm. After that, choose the recipient type. This could be users, roles, owner of the record, or other options depending on your setup. Once you choose the type, use the next field to pick the specific recipients from the available list. These are the people or groups who will receive the alert when it fires. If needed, you can also add up to 5 specific email addresses that should be notified, even if they're not Salesforce users. Type each email address carefully to avoid delivery issues. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Save. Salesforce will store your new email alert, and it will now be available for use in workflow rules, process builder, or flows, depending on how you automate your processes. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email alert in Salesforce.